But what I mean is that even though bad memories leave such a deep mark inside ourselves, but yet the relationship that we have with a jamad, with a solid, with a mountain, because his uncle was martyred at that mountain, and yet when he sees the mountain Uhud, he says, هذا جبل, this is a mountain that loves us and we love it. Could you imagine? Even though his uncle was martyred at that mountain. So what is the Prophet ﷺ emphasizing? That you should not be pessimistic because of whatever happens. If you have a good relationship with a solid, think again, if you have a good relationship, a love relationship with a solid, bad human memories should not erase that love, but rather that love prevails over the negative emotion. Could you imagine? The love of a solid prevails over a negative human emotion. To that extent is our relationship with the world around us. And note how that the relationship is not based on, this mountain brings us lots of gold, so we use it to kind of be rich people. So we should really care for it. But the Prophet ﷺ cherishes Uhud because he feels the love of Uhud. This mountain loves us, so we also love it. To think, yes, we do. So to think, I'm replying back to the baby. So to think that, there is a love relationship between human beings and something that does not speak, or at least we don't understand its speech, is something that is lost nowadays.